quick tutorial. We're going to show you how to open up our Hotswap cases. So in the front, there's a key. Please don't lose this key once you get it. It comes in the accessories box. If you lose it, it's very hard to get a replacement. So you put that key in the front, and you look at it. It's a special type of key. You insert it here into the lock in the front, and there's a little pin on it. It has to just line up with the pin on the lock. Turn it counterclockwise, and it will unlock the thing. And then on the sides of the chassis, there are these tabs here. You want to press on it. They're on both sides. You hold it, and then open the cover out. Okay. Inside, you'll see there Hotswap drive bays. There are no drives inside on purpose because if we ship drives already installed inside, they will break the SATA connectors on there. So inside the accessories box, you'll find these drive caddies, and you have to install them with the hooks facing down on a drive like so. Okay. So the hook is facing down, and they're installed on there using screws that come inside the accessories box. Inside this bag, you'll find these little screws. They're hard drive screws. Please don't lose them, because as you add more hard drives, you'll want to keep these caddies and those screws together to be able to install more hard drives inside your NVR. So again, don't lose the key, don't lose the Hotswap caddies, and don't lose those screws. In fact, just keep your accessories box stowed away in a safe place. So here we have a 4 terabyte drive, and I'm going to show you how to insert this into the bay. So I'm going to have my assistant here hold the hard drive and insert it for me at the right angle. So you want to make sure you're inserting just like so, and then at the end just push a little. It connects to the SATA port inside, and that's how much force it takes. You don't want to push it too hard, otherwise you'll break the SATA connector on the other side. Now, once you want to remove the hard drive, you grab onto these 2 tabs, squeeze them, and pull the hard drive, and it just comes out. Again, to put this in, you just basically slide it in. There are rails inside. If you look at them, that's where those plastic rails on these sides are going into, and then you push it in, and you hear a little click, and that means it's seated into the SATA port. And once you're done putting all your hard drives in, just close it, lock it in the front, and remove your key, and you're set. Just keep that key in a safe place. Thanks for watching.